Hi guys, today we have another unboxing. I just filmed a video about my first Yesstyle order from their website, and I thought the fridge which I ordered from Peripera, I do a separate video because that will probably take a bit to take it all apart. So this is the Peripera fridge, very cute already. You can see already on the back it comes with quite a few things. So let's open it up. Got my scissors ready. By the way, the order was really well packaged. It just took quite a long time to arrive. Okay, it is a bit skinnier, but that's not a bad thing. It means it doesn't take too much space. Pull it out. Okay, so that's the back of the fridge. That's the front. You have a lot of stickers. There, I guess, for all of these fridge things. Okay, I need more scissor action here. Now it's falling already apart in it. Okay, there we go. Let's open up the fridge. Okay, it has a magnet. Very good. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I just got in the order as well from Etude House, their soft drink lip balms, and I thought these are already cute and small, but look how big they are compared to these ones, which is not a bad thing though, because at least I know I will use up the products. This is also more like, clearly, look at this, it's more like a water in there, which is good though. Let's take the whole thing out maybe. Ugh. Stuck. Take the products out and then try to... Yeah, that's better. Okay, so there we have the fridge. We'll do the fridge in a sec. I thought maybe we want to do the products first. So one is like a velvet product, which I think is for the lip. This is like an all-over ink, I guess, which is meant to be though a cheek product, so like a blusher, and then multi, which is like a bit for contouring. And then of course the two lip stains, which are literally, they look like clear water. I think I will do the lip stains first so they can dry. So you have the little bottles. Open it up like this. Put it here on my arm. Okay, very watery. There you can see. Looks very orange on the skin. That's the orangey red bottle, and now the pink one. Can't smell anything, by the way. Let me smell on this one. Oh, this one actually smells very peachy. So this one is the more pink bottle, which has more of a red stain. We let it dry, and then in the end I will go again with the wipes over it. I still have the stains, by the way, from the Etude House ones, which is why I'm doing it on the side of my arm this time. Very cute little bottles. Does it actually say how much is in there? 3.5 ml. And these products says 2.7 gram. Let's swatch the velvet. So cute, by the way. Okay, so that feels like a liquid lipstick. More like a satiny. Can't smell anything. More like a satiny feel to it. Now the pink cheek product. To be honest, I probably would use it also on the lips. Oh yeah, that looks very matte, by the way. Oh, also because it's for the cheeks, I will also do one version where I will blend it out a bit. So that's just swatched, and here we have it blended out. My arm is a bit tanned at the moment. Very pinky sheen. I like it though. And this one is the multi-use product, which is supposed to be also like for contouring. That looks very... I'm not sure if that's the right color for me for contouring. It looks very mud colored. Not sure, that might pull a bit ashy on me. It's not bad though. I think maybe if you have like a no makeup day and you just want a bit of cream contour, that might be something for the contour points on your face. But overall, you can see the water, by the way. So the lip stains, they're very, very watery. Okay, but now let's get back to the fridge. So you have the little shelves coming with it, which I guess you just slot in. Focus. There we go. And shelf number 2. Another shelf. And then what's usually in our fridge is the vegetable drawer. Then you have these little ones here. How did I go? Oh, okay, like this. To be honest, I have the feeling once you put the little shelf things on that your beauty products might not necessarily all fit in it. There we go. And last one. Oh, it's so flimsy. Okay, there we go. Put the shelves in. I must say this is super cute. I mean, I don't know if you can see. No, focus. There we go. Little eggs. And a little ice cube tray. Very, very cute. Let's slot it in there. It's literally lying in the dough now like this. And then we have all these little cans. What looks like 2 milk cartons. Another can. Not sure what it is, but one of them actually opened. Nothing in there though. Don't know what that's supposed to be. And then little drinks bottles. Okay. Okay, they're like the tint bottle. Let's do the stickers. I think I will do the cans first. They seem to be. Let me do it in front of camera maybe. Oh, okay, the stickers stick out very well. So I need to be careful. Did you do a good job the first time around? Oh, see, so flimsy. Very, very cute. Let's put it straight in the fridge. And next one. Looks like a strawberry soft drink. I think once my daughter will see this one, she probably will immediately go for it and grab it, and the fridge will be gone from my collection, which, to be honest, I don't mind. It's cute, but I have so many nice makeup things to display. I'm happy for her to take the fridge. There we go. Another little Coke. I'm wondering if there's something missing because so many stickers, but not too many more items left. Have a look in a sec. First we finish the stickers. The little tint bottles. So they look a little bit like the one where you have the more tint in for the lips. Okay, they do not. Doesn't seem to really something fit into the side doors of the fridge, which is a bit of a shame. think I can see already what's missing now. The only plastic container missing seems to be the ice cream, because I pretty much can see now what I have stickers left over for. I'll have a look in a sec, maybe it fell out. Oh yeah! Maybe that's, no. Last tint bottle. I might fast forward this bit of the video. If you still can hear me talking, then I didn't find out how to do the fast forward on the video. Do you actually do that sometimes, that when you watch a video from other YouTubers, that you put like speed 1.25 or what it is, or even 1.50? I sometimes do it because I like to watch certain YouTubers, but I also sometimes don't have the time, or just they don't talk very fast, they talk a bit slow. Okay, these stickers for the milk cartons are a bit bigger than the milk carton itself. It looks very cute though. Another milk carton, so we have a blue one which says plain, and the other one says strawberry. Let's do that one. So yeah, some YouTubers, when I watch the video, I just speed up the video, and I quite like it. Tell me if I'm not the only one, please. Sometimes I think it's weird, but I do it like this for over a year now, and I still do it like that. Okay, pink milk, strawberry milk. Now, I'm strongly guessing that this is the soup tin. Perry belts. Not Campbell's, it's Perry belts. Condensed chicken noodle soup. Oh no, that one I made not good. That's much better. Perfect. That's the soup. Ah! Oh my goodness, I'm such an idiot. That wasn't the lid. This is the ice cream box. And now I put the soup logo the wrong way around. So I will actually pull it off. Oh my gosh, I'm such an idiot. To my defense though, would you have thought it? I mean, I'm sorry, but it did look like a lid, and it was stuck in there when I opened the box. Okay. Who puts a soup in the fridge, by the way? It's a weird thing to have a soup tin here. But it's quite cute though, because of the Perry belts. Same as ice cream. Who puts ice cream in the fridge? It's in the freezer. Okay, very nice. I'll put it on top of the fridge. Who puts tins in the fridge? Seriously. And now ice cream. But ice cream is now a bit weird, because I clearly have 2 lid stickers. Did I do something wrong? So this one is clearly the choc ice cream, and I have 2 stickers for the lid. One says strawberry ice cream, and the other one says choc ice cream. Okay, but yeah, that's